have a very rare disease.
You just have the hiccups.
What are hiccups?
This is what we look like on the inside. These organs over here, these are the lungs. Thanks to them, we are able to breathe. And this muscle here is called the diaphragm. Its function is to help the lungs with breathing by going up and down. But if we eat too fast, or if we drink carbonated beverages, this irritates the diaphragm and it goes down too quickly, so that a lot of air enters at once and the hiccups start. When did your hiccups start, Misifu?
About 5 minutes ago.
But you really don't need to worry about it for now. One of the solutions that sometimes work is to try and drink water from the opposite side of your glass. Have a bite of this.
Huh? Ah! It looks like it worked. Well, I guess it didn't. Tatty, you cured me. I don't have the hiccups anymore.
Sometimes a good scare is just the solution to cure the hiccups.